What is up, everyone? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you guys with a new product alert. Actually, I don't even know if it's new. It's new to me, so that's new. As you guys can see, we're going to be using that Cream of Nature Curl Defining Custard. Now, I know for a fact that when it comes to new products, I am not the only one that be skeptical because, first off, it takes a while on wash days to do our hair. Like, if you guys don't know, it takes about a lot of hours. And on this particular wash day, I chose to deep condition my hair with steam. So of course, when you steam your hair, it's going to be a longer process. It adds about 30 extra minutes onto it, plus the styling. Okay, so real quick, here's a quick length check for you guys. This is where approximately my hair is. It's not stretch, but it's as close as we gonna get because my hair was slick. But again, because we're using a new styling product and I learned my lesson from the past fails, I'm gonna start off with a smaller section because every time I had a fail in the past and I did my whole head, there was no way for me to reverse it. I couldn't just wipe it down with the towel and then just go from there. So we start off with a smaller section in the back, and from my face, like you guys can see, like it's weird because the texture, it's not like any other cream texture. It's definitely not your normal product texture, especially for a custard, because I did use them in the past. It's more so like a mucus. But y'all, when I put this on, do you see that? Like, I had to double take so many times. Like, look at my hair, y'all. I kid you not, this little snippet right here, it had me shook. Like, I had to keep looking just to make sure my hair wasn't gonna revert back. But okay, it looked cute. So of course we got them roots because y'all know my roots is real thick, so we gotta slap them down with some gel or a curling custard or defining custard, whatever you want to call it. But I did add a little bit more and then I ended up finger detangling. But of course we can't get too excited now. We gotta try another piece because first time it may just been a lucky go. So we're gonna do it again, and this section is gonna be a little bit bigger. And then we're just going to go ahead and apply it like we did the first section. And I also sped this part up so that way the video doesn't take too long. But as you guys can see, I work in the subsections that my hair was in after I took the twist down. And honestly guys, if you haven't steamed your hair, if you steam it, it makes the wash and go process slightly, very slightly, actually not even slightly, it makes it so much faster because your hair is already detangled, you already have the styling product, and you just have to add your gel, comb it a few more times, and that is about it. But at this time we got all the defining custard in our hair. Now for me, my goal is, because I haven't did a wash and go in so long, I'm going to go ahead and go for a more voluminized look. So I ended up putting my hair on my head on the top. You guys seen this process before, you guys seen how I did it. So this isn't the first time it's on my channel, but I do go ahead and put my hair up, and at this time it's about 8 p.m. at night, so I will be going to sleep shortly. It's going to stay like this all night, and then I'm going to end up taking it down tomorrow morning. And of course we got to send a prayer to the hair gods because this can go very badly when we wake up, so send that prayer out real quick. Okay, so right here is the next day. As you guys can see, we're taking our hair down very gently. We're swinging it so we can get the hair down without touching it too much. At this point, I realized that my hair was not completely dry, which I kind of assumed that because my hair takes forever to dry in the middle. But I kind of just adjust it so that way when it dries, it's not like too voluminized in the roots, because my roots literally, it will stick up on me and then it'll come down and it's just, I don't know. But I try to fix it as much as I can to the way how I normally wear my hair without touching it too much, because the more you touch it, the more frizz there is. Now for this is optional. You can choose to air dry your hair, you can choose to diffuse your hair. I just went with the diffuser because I was taking a slight break from work and I had nothing else to do, so I was like, let me just dry it a little bit faster. Normally I would just let my hair air dry. I would go outside and let it just dry like that, but it's like 40, 50, 60 degrees and that's a little too cold for me. So as you guys seen, I had that little poofy part in the roots, and that's what I mean by I needed to situate my hair so that way it kind of sits properly, because if I don't take some heat to my roots, it's just gonna look so poofy and I don't like that look, especially not that soon. But our hair is completely dry. This is the next day as of right here. We broke that gel cast with the Moroccan oil, and of course you guys know that we are still doing our Solve for a Hair Growth Challenge until December 1st, so we just put that on our roots real quick. And this is how I've been doing it literally since I've been taking my braids down, because you're getting it throughout your entire scalp and you're doing a little massage as well. But guys, this is the finished result. I do hope you guys like this video. Please be sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to see next, and I will see you guys in the next video.